Well, I didn't even look to see what time it was. I started this at about 7:30, finishing and getting the suck line in. Got the pump all hooked up. This is the only hose I have to use this year, so I can unhook it, roll it back in here and mow. I've got all the burge cleaned out. Got the new piping in. This has got unions in it. 2, 4, 5, 6 unions. So I can just unhook this, take all the piping out, set it off to the side when I want to till. All the burge are ready to go. So I blew all the lines out already. Make sure I had all the cobwebs out of it. Mice can't get in there, it's too small. We're ready to go. So we'll just start this up and crank it up and see how it works. It'll take a second for the pressure to build. There it goes. I had that problem with that one last year for some reason. There it goes. Oh, the pressure built to the other end this time. Yes, look at that. This was working good. I need to get back out of the way. Yeah, look at that. It's raining, everybody. It's a rainbow. We have a rainbow already. Isn't that nice? Yeah, gonna be watering lawn there. That's because that corner I let it go back to grass because I can't make that turn with the quad. Oh yeah, pumpkin's getting water, tomatoes getting water. Once I had the pump running this morning. It has 2 off switches and I forgot the other off switch. Yeah, look at that water coming down. And they overlap. Yeah, I could have spread these out about 5 more feet. It doesn't quite get the end of the garden down here. I'm gonna let that run for about an hour, get some water on here. I used the hose to water the beans earlier because they needed it. They're doing good. There's little bean pods on there. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be picking beans here in a day or two. Anyway, that's the excitement for the day. It's raining in the garden, and we're not supposed to have it. We had rain. This is Friday. We had rain Tuesday, but it only amounted to like 3/10. So we are watering the garden. That's all it takes.